Welcome back to the Code Shop channel. Today we're going to look at how to change sequence numbers in Odoo 17. These numbers are essential for organizing records such as sales orders, invoices, and other documents. Adjusting the sequence numbers can help you maintain a clean workflow and adapt it to your business needs. So let's dive right into the configuration process. Before we get started, let's take a moment to understand what sequence numbers are. They are the unique identifiers that are automatically assigned to your sales or purchase orders, invoices, and other documents. By default, Odoo generates these numbers with a prefix like S for sales orders or P for purchase orders, followed by a sequence number. Now let's see how we can change or customize these sequences. Okay, so what we need to do is go to the settings and enable developer mode. To do that, we're going to click Settings, scroll down to the bottom, and enable it here. I already did that, and I know that because we have this little bug icon over here. So after that, we can go into Sequences by searching for sequences on our dashboard. We will go to Settings, Technical, Sequences and Identifiers / Sequences. Here we can see all the sequences that are created throughout our system. And here we can go to edit them. Now we want to change the sequence for sales orders. So let me just type in sale and we will have it here. We can see that we have a prefix of S. So if you want to change our prefix to something else, if you have a unique sequence that you want to use or something that you're bringing over from a previous system, you can change the prefix here. Let it be sale. We can also use legend codes to customize the prefix or suffix with date or times. For example, let's say we want to add the day, month, and year to our sales order sequence number. To do this, start with a slash, then copy the day legend code and paste it into the suffix field. Type another slash, then add the month legend, and repeat the process for the year. You can mix and match these codes to suit your needs, and this method works for any sequence number in your database. Next, we have the sequence size. This is how many characters there will be in our sequence, not including our prefix. Steps determines the increment between numbers, for example, increasing by 1 for each new order. Then the next number. This is the next number to be assigned. If you want to restart the numbering, or if you already have thousands of sales orders from your previous system and you want to continue that sequence, you can edit the next order number here. Don't forget to hit save here. And now that we have changed the sequence, let's test it. We will create a new sales order to see if the sequence updates correctly. So let's select the customer, add the product, and confirm the quote. As you can see, when we confirmed, the order number now reflects the changes we made in the sequence settings. The last thing I want to emphasize is that you can use the same process to configure any sequence number in your database, whether it's sales orders, purchase orders, or invoices. The steps are exactly the same. And that's it. Now we know how to customize sequence numbers in Odoo 17. This small customization can really help with organization and give your documents a more personal touch. Thanks for watching and see you next time.